Welcome to a world beneath the waves, where marine life thrives and the mysteries of the deep come to life. Today we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to witness the stunning views captured by undersea drones.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Josh, and if you're fascinated by the beauty of the ocean like I am, you're in for a treat. We're about to dive deep into breathtaking underwater scenes, all thanks to cutting-edge undersea drone technology.
Our first stop takes us to the vibrant coral reefs. Undersea drones give us an unparalleled view of this underwater wonderland, revealing colors and details that are rarely seen by the human eye.
It's incredible how these ecosystems are so full of life. The detail captured by these drones allows scientists and nature lovers to study and appreciate the sheer diversity of marine species.
Next, we venture into the hauntingly beautiful world of sunken shipwrecks. These underwater drones make it possible to explore the remains of forgotten ships, where history and marine life intersect in the most captivating ways.
Just look at the way marine life has reclaimed these shipwrecks. It's like a scene out of an underwater fairy tale, but with a dash of mystery and adventure.
And then we go deeper, much deeper. Undersea drones are our window to the abyss, where bizarre and alien-like creatures live in complete darkness.
From glowing jellyfish to otherworldly sea creatures, these views are straight out of a sci-fi movie. But this is real life, and it's happening right now in the unexplored depths of our planet.
These drones aren't just for capturing beautiful footage, they're revolutionizing marine research, helping scientists monitor ecosystems, track animal behavior, and even discover new species.
It's amazing to think about how much we're learning thanks to this technology. The more we understand the ocean, the better equipped we are to protect it for future generations. Thanks for diving into this underwater adventure with us. If you enjoyed these breathtaking views and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for future explorations. And let me know in the comments which scene fascinated you the most. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of our incredible planet. See you soon.